Welcome to my channel, BipolarIITian, and today I will share my first-hand experiences on mania and depression. My bipolar episodes always start off with a need for more or less sleep. That's a major indicator in my case. I sleep on alternate days, and that too for only 2 to 4 hours, and this pattern continues, but that doesn't mean that I feel tired or sleepy throughout the day. On the contrary, I become highly functional and productive with less sleep and think that I can take on all these new projects and be like, I'm going to do this now, and you really do believe that you are overqualified or more than qualified to do these projects, which may be totally out of character. I also become more creative in this phase. In a single night, I get hundreds of ideas, compositions, and concepts on paintings, which I have now started to jot down in a diary. I take on multiple paintings at the same time but can never complete any one of them. I also become a little impulsive and tend to spend money on buying things, clothes which I probably will never wear or wear only once. And then there are those lows where I hit rock bottom and become more and more depressed. I become extremely hopeless and helpless. Every day I literally push myself to go on with daily basic activities. Getting up in the morning seems like a big task. I even lose interest in doing things that I love. I like to stay alone. I feel that nobody loves or cares for me, or rather, to put it more accurately, I feel that I'm incapable of being loved. I just sleep all day long or simply lie on bed without moving or doing nothing, or sometimes binge eating. I also keep having intrusive thoughts. Once I had these intense thoughts of harming myself. Despite trying hard, I was unable to fight those thoughts. Almost involuntarily, I inflicted myself. When depression goes really out of control, I also have suicidal ideation. I tend to extensively research and plan out suicide. Do not support suicide at all, and one should never attempt suicide, no matter how dire the situation is. Help is always available. Holding on to life seems so hard sometimes, both during manic and depressive phases. It is a constant struggle with oneself. Now I can understand and manage or mask my manic or depressive phase in front of others, but during psychotic episodes when I'm unable to understand that something is wrong with me, it falls on my caregivers to be on the lookout for psychotic symptoms. It really takes a toll on me and also on the caregivers.